Hello, young explorers and super sleuths. Welcome back to our channel Grammar Treehouse. Today, we're going on a special mission to become question masters. Have you ever wondered how we ask questions like, "Where are my shoes?" "When is lunchtime?" or "How does this toy work?" The secret words that help us ask these questions are called interrogative adverbs. It sounds like a big fancy name, but I promise they're super easy and fun. The main ones we'll use today are where, when, how, and why. They are like magical keys that unlock all sorts of information. Are you ready to find these keys and learn how to use them? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about our first key, where. Where is our location expert? It helps us ask about places. Think of it like a treasure map X. When you want to know the location of something or someone, where is the word you need. For example, if you can't find your favorite teddy bear, you might ask, "Where is my teddy bear?" Or if you're excited about a party, you could ask, "Where is the party?" It's all about finding out the place. Let's try a little game. I'm going to describe a situation, and I want you to shout out a where question. Ready? Okay. Your friend is going on a super fun vacation. What question would you ask them? You got it. Where are you going on vacation? See? Easy peasy. Where helps us pinpoint the exact spot. Now let's unlock our second key. When. When is our time traveler? It helps us ask about time. This could be the time on a clock, a day of the week, a month, or even a season. Anything to do with time. When is your go-to word. For example, if you're waiting for your birthday, you might ask, "When is my birthday?" Or after a long day of playing, you might ask your parents, "When is dinner?" When helps us plan our days and know what's coming next. Let's play another round. Imagine your favorite movie is coming out soon. What question would you ask to find out the release date? That's right. When does the movie come out? You're getting so good at this. When is our personal calendar and clock, all in one little word. All right, detectives, it's time for our third magical key, how. How is our process guru. It helps us understand the way something is done, or the condition of something. It's the word we use when we're curious about the how-to. For instance, if you see a magician do an amazing trick, you'd probably ask, "How did you do that?" Or if you want to learn to ride a bike, you might ask, "How do I pedal?" How can also ask about feelings. If your friend looks a little sad, you could ask, "How are you feeling?" It's a very useful and caring word. Let's try our game again. You just baked the most delicious cookies in the world with your grandma. Your friend tries one and loves it. What will they probably ask you? Exactly. How did you make these cookies? How uncovers the secret steps and feelings behind everything. Our final key for today is a big one. Why. Why is our reason seeker. It's for the super curious minds who always want to know the reason behind things. Why helps us understand the cause or purpose. When you see the sky is blue, you might ask, "Why is the sky blue?" Or if you have to go to bed early, you might ask your parents, "Why do I have to go to bed now?" Why questions help us learn so much about the world. They are the questions that scientists, inventors, and explorers ask every single day. Let's do our final round of the game. Imagine you see your cat chasing a red laser dot all over the living room. What question pops into your head? You got it. Why is the cat chasing the dot? Why is the key that unlocks deeper understanding and satisfies our curiosity. Now that we know our 4 amazing keys, where, when, how, and why, let's put them all together in a super fun activity. I call this game Question Charades. I'm going to act out a little scene, and your job is to figure out the best question to ask, using one of our new words. Okay, scene number 1. I'm looking at my watch, tapping my foot, and looking around impatiently. What question would you ask me? You could ask, when is the bus coming? Or, why are you tapping your foot? Both are great. How about this? I'm holding a map and I look lost. What's the question? Where are you trying to go? Perfect. Last one. I'm mixing flour, eggs, and sugar in a bowl. What would you ask? How are you making that cake? Or, why are you adding so much sugar? You guys are officially question masters. Let's try another cool exercise. I'm going to give you an answer, and you have to come up with the question. It's like a reverse quiz. Ready? The answer is, because I was hungry. What's the question? It must be, why did you eat the whole pizza? Great job. Okay, next answer. In the park. What's the question? Where were you playing? You're on a roll. How about this answer? At 3 o'clock. The question is, when is the party starting? Awesome. One more. The answer is, by mixing blue and yellow. What's the question? How do you make the color green? See how every answer has a perfect question partner? You can play this game with your friends and family anytime to practice. Now, let's get creative with a story-building game. I'll start a story with a simple sentence. Then, we'll use our question words, where, when, how, and why, to add more details and make the story more exciting. Our story starts with, a little robot found a mysterious box. Now, let's ask some questions. Where did the robot find the box? Let's say he found it under a giant sparkling mushroom. When did he find it? He found it during a full moon. How did he open it? He used his special laser finger to carefully open the lock. And the biggest question, why was the box there? Because it held a secret map to the lost city of circuits. Look at that. Our simple sentence turned into an exciting adventure, all thanks to our 4 special question words. To really lock this in, let's do a quick-fire quiz. I'll show you a picture, and you shout out a question about it using an interrogative adverb. First picture, a sad-looking puppy sitting by the door. What's a good why question? Why is the puppy sad? Excellent. Next picture, a group of kids building a giant sandcastle on the beach. What's a where question? Where are the kids building the sandcastle? You got it. Next, a picture of a girl flying a kite high in the sky. How about a how question? How did she get the kite to fly so high? Fantastic. Last one, a picture of a birthday cake with 10 candles. What's a when question? When can we eat the cake? You guys aced the quiz. You're not just question masters, you're question superstars. So let's do a quick recap. We learned about 4 amazing interrogative adverbs. Where asks about place. When asks about time. How asks about the way something is done. And why asks for a reason. These 4 words are your secret tools for being curious, learning new things, and having great conversations. They turn you from just a listener into an active explorer of the world. Remember, asking questions is one of the smartest things you can do. Never be afraid to ask. The more you ask, the more you learn, and the more you grow. Keep practicing with your family and friends, and you'll be a grammar expert in no time. Thank you so much for joining our grammar adventure today. I had so much fun exploring the world of questions with you. If you enjoyed becoming a question master, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. You can also share this video with a friend who loves to ask questions. Keep being curious, keep asking questions, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.